Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video should be, it's kind of like a 50-50. I'm praying that this video goes good, but today we're gonna be doing something different. Yesterday we went ahead and painted the calipers. They're a weird color. I got second thoughts after I finished the whole job, but so if you haven't checked that video, I'll go ahead, click right here. Let me know down in the comment section below what color I should do, because I kind of want to switch it. I don't know, maybe I haven't looked at it enough. Maybe it could be that. But anyways, today's video, we actually have a mission. We have mission. So the NELK Boys, I'm pretty sure you guys know the NELK Boys. A lot of people know the NELK Boys. They do pranks and stuff. An insane group. I've been watching them for a while now. I would say like about like a year maybe. They just released their new line of seltzers called Happy Dad, and they're going around different shops, and today they're actually coming down to Sac, which is freaking sick, bro. So with that being said, we're gonna make a trip down to the location where they're gonna be at. There's probably gonna be a lot of people, but I'ma see. The mission for today is if we can get Kyle from the NELK Boys, if he shows up, or Steve will do it, whoever from the NELK Boys, to freaking sign the G35. Now you guys are like, bro, are you stupid, bro? Are you serious? Relax, guys. I'm not gonna have him sign the outside of the car, but I was thinking of him signing it right here. A lot of people put stickers here. A lot of people do stuff to their car right here in the passenger side, and might as well have it be a signature from the NELK Boys. Wouldn't that be freaking sick? So we're here at Walmart. We're gonna buy a silver Sharpie, and we're gonna see if we can get him to sign it right here. With that being said, let's hope this video goes good, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, I don't know if I told you guys, but we're trying to reach 30,000 subscribers. Can you help us? Can you be a darling and just smash that like button and that subscribe button? I really appreciate it. There should be some, they're showing up right here. All right, y'all, so we're here at the location. So far, there's not too many people. We got like a little back lot over there. I think they got like the seltzers and shit. But I don't know where they're gonna park. The market's right here behind us, but this seems like a bigger parking lot, and it seems like more people would come here. So I don't know where they're gonna pull up, but hopefully we can get them to sign our car, and we'll see. We'll see how it works out. But fuck it, full send, boys. You already know. You already know the shit. So we were just chilling, man. Some random guy, I guess he recognized me from my YouTube, so shout out to you, brother. But he let me know that NELK just recently posted that freaking canceled the Sac location. You can see right here, San Jose got crazy.
Yeah! Bro, we might not be able to go in. I know.
Man, San Jose was crazy.
Get into fucking meetups nowadays.
And then they just posted right now that they said if they pull up to Sac that they're gonna get arrested. So I don't think they're pulling up. Who knows? Maybe they're gonna pull up like by surprise. That way the cops don't know. But what should we do? It's fucking hot in here.
Yeah, turn on the fucking, yeah.
Sheesh, yeah.
You're melting me.
You can see hella people were waiting. They're still waiting there. But yeah, dude. There's less people now just because of the story they posted. I don't know, maybe another day. I don't know. All right, guys, so we took a little break, but now since they didn't show up to Sac, I don't know if they're gonna show up again or not, but right now we're heading to a private meet. It's actually my first private meet. I've never been to one. So this is our first time going to a private meet. We shall see how it goes, if cool cars go, if it's different from like a regular meet or not. I was talking to my friend, he said it's gonna be like R32s and shit on like the big old thing, like, so we're gonna find out. We'll be the judge of it. You already know we're the best judges around town, so we're gonna go check it out. It's about 20 minutes away, so I'll catch you guys there. Alright, we're about to bounce out. We got the floor right there. The whole spot over there. We're about to head out. And let's head out. Get inside right now. Oh.
I know you ain't talking to me.
Alright guys, so we just got to the meet. We're right there. We're stanced up. Sitting good. Now let's go check out. There's some pretty sick builds right here. Let's go see what they got, man. Like some TEs. Those are properly painted calipers.
How can that car even move?
TEs. Sheesh. That's it. You cannot beat that, bro. Check out this G, bro. My boy. This black paint is so damn good, bro. I've never seen black paint. These are, I think these are cars from like detailers, so they polish and freaking buff out like the fuck out of this, bro. This paint is mint, bro. Like they even did like a little fade there. This paint is fucking nice, bro. Look at my reflection, bro. This paint is freaking sick. I like how the paint actually looks black. When you guys paint black cars, they fade and they look kind of ass, you know how kind of with shirts, but this paint, bro, is mint. Man, I still don't know what color to do my calipers, bro. I'm stuck. This shit got some massive vents. Woo. What up, bruh? Man.
It's my boy shop.
My boy's partying out. Hit him up. My boy's partying out. Hit him up. Anyways, y'all, we're back at the headquarters, BeDistinct headquarters. We got the G right here looking fresh. Anyways, tomorrow we are going to be taking the car to go get it ceramic coated. Not the whole car. We're going to be checking the whole car. I think the ceramic coating is still pretty decent on the rest of the car, but we're going to be ceramic coating the hood, actually. With that being said, we're going to go ahead tomorrow, head early to our boy Royal Detail, ceramic coat the hood, and then after that, we can go ahead and work on actually putting the vents here on the hood. But yeah, there it is. So far it's looking really beautiful. People are really liking it, man. I enjoy seeing happiness in other people. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next episode. We are going to be repainting the calipers. I think I already have the color I have in mind. I have the color. I think it'll look good, but I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for all the support you guys been giving me. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out. Love you guys. Be safe. Be distinct. Peace out, man.